Good morning, students. Welcome to your GK class. Today we will discuss our second chapter, which is about martial arts. So let's start with the chapter. There are hundreds of traditional martial arts in different parts of India. They are ancient form of fighting system. They are generally used for self-defense, recreation, and the overall development of a person. While some involve the use of weapons, others are forms of hand-to-hand combat. So what is martial art? It is a kind of fighting system in which people use this as self-defense or recreational activity, just for like physical exercise, or as we use physical education, they use martial arts. Name the state, union, territory where these martial arts originate. So we have to write the state name to which this martial art type belongs. First one is Kalaripayattu. Part of the state traditional educational system. It is a kind of educational system for that state. One of the oldest martial art. It is quite ancient. Different type of swords are used for the different style. Kathakali derives some of its movement from this martial art. So there is a dance form Kathakali which also derived its move from this kind of martial art. From the name Kathakali we can derive the answer that it is the Kerala. Write down the answer Kerala, Kerala. Now come to second one, Gatka. Wooden sticks are used as weapon. So the wooden sticks are used as weapon. It is performed as a sport as well as ritual. तो ये एक स्पोर्ट और एक रिचुअल की तरह भी परफॉर्म होता है, लाइक इन वेडिंग. सम फॉर्म्स आर यूज परफॉर्म्ड ऑन हॉर्स बैक, और ये एक्टिविटी कभी कभार हॉर्स के बैक पे बैठ के भी की जाती है. सो फ्रॉम द पिक्चर वी कैन ईजिली आंसर दिस मार्शल आर्ट बिलोंग्स टू पंजाब. नाउ कमिंग टू द थर्ड वन, Silambam. The bamboo staff, stick-like weapon that is used in the martial art is called Silambam. So the stick you can see that is made up of bamboo, and the stick is known as Silambam. Today it is performed as cultural event. और ये आजकल martial art कहाँ perform होता है as a cultural event. And the state from which it is belong is Tamil Nadu. Tamilnadu, Tamil Nadu. Now come to the fourth one. Thangta. It originates in northeastern state among the Metis people. Spears, axes or swords are used from close up or thrown from far. Used for combat and demonstration, but primarily for ritual. Some forms are performed at funerals. So in this, several weapons are used like spears, axes and swords for long range and short range combat. But usually these are performed in rituals like funeral. So the state from which this martial art belongs is Manipur. Now come to the fifth one. Paika Nritya. It was created by a warrior class of a state on the east coast of India. So it is an eastern side of India. A type of battle dance designed to invigorate soldiers before they went to battle. Performed to the beat of drum. So this martial art is a kind of dance which is performed on the beat of drum, and it is usually performed just before the battle to encourage the soldiers. So the state from which this dance belong or the martial art belong is Odisha, Odisha. Now come to the sixth one, Square. Practiced in India as well as in Pakistan. Curved single-edged sword and shield are used. So it is also a kind of dance, and it is also performed in Pakistan, in which swords are used and shields are used to perform this martial art. and the state from which it is belonged is quite near to Pakistan, and it is Kashmir. Kashmir. Now let's come to the B part. Martial arts are part of cultures of many other countries as well. Complete this table. So martial arts is not only performed in India, it is also part of various other countries. So we have to answer the country from which the martial arts belong, or we have to write the martial art type and by looking at the country's name. So the first one is Angampora. Angampora. So from which country does it belong? You can see the picture below, the third one. Yes, and the country from which it is belonged is Sri Lanka. Yes, the neighbor country Sri Lanka. Srilanka. Sri Lanka. Now come to the second one, Japan. The country's name is Japan, and you have to write the martial art, which is similar to wrestling. There is no picture of it, but we can answer it is sumo. SUMO. Sumo wrestling. Now coming to the third one. The martial art is Jujutsu. You can see the picture. The first one is Jujutsu, and the country from which it is belong is Japan. Again it is Japan. 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 Now come to the fourth one, Kung Fu. The last picture is Kung Fu, and you have to write down the country name. The country name is China. 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 Now the last one is Korea. The name of the country is given Korea, and the martial art performed there is the Taekwondo. The second picture which showing the Korean martial art is Taekwondo. The spelling is written here, you can write it from here. So I hope you understand this chapter. Now we will see the next chapter in next period. Thank you and have a nice day.